आयतारा आंध्र प्रदेशात रेल्वेचो भिरांकू अपघात जालो। 2 पॅसेंजर ट्रेनीची समोरासमोर टक्कर जावन 3 डबे घसरले। ह्या भिरांकू अपघातात 14 जाणांक मरण आयला जाल्यार सुमार 100 जाण गंभीर जखमी जाल्यात। घडणूक थळार बचाव कार्य चालू आसा आनी ह्या घडणुकीचो तपास जातलो अशें आश्वासन रेल्वे विभागीय व्यवस्थापक सौरभ प्रसाद हांणी दिली।
Along with the railway team which is conducting the rescue operation, we have been able to get all the passengers except two people are still there in the boat. That the NDRF team is trying to investigate them. We have also started the restoration operations in which coaches which have been damaged are being handled simultaneously. We have mobilized a lot of equipment, restoration equipment. We have brought in heavy duty 140-ton crane. We have also brought in plane machines. These are tackling the coaches and the mangled mess which is there presently. We are trying to take out the coaches and so that the traffic can be also restored. Our general manager, he has also visited the Vijayanagaram hospital. There all care has been given to the injured and 24 injured passengers are being given treatment there by our team of doctors and the state administration. We are coordinating with the state administration and also the officers from the fire department. They are here helping us because one of the lines has tank wagons. The rescue is on and we are hoping that today we will be able to finish the rescue operations as well as the restoration process.
Sir, how many teams were deployed for rescue and restoration?
We had teams from Visakhapatnam division, Volta division. We had 4 teams which had come in. We have teams which are doing the medical treatment. We have teams which are taking care of the OAT. We have teams which are taking care of the restoration process. We also have contract as well as departmental labor tackling the track damages. We also have assistance from our headquarters and the railway board is continuously monitoring through the war room. We have been giving positions to the war room. Whatever assistance is required is being provided by both the state as well as the city.
So, approximately how many casualties reported?
Around 8 casualties have been confirmed. Few more once we are able to have a look at the mangled mess.